everybody. It's January 2022. So I came down to visit with my kids in Melbourne, Florida, and brought my bike along with me because it's so easy. On United Airlines, they let it fly for free. Oh, by the way, Tony from Blue Collar Backcountry YouTube channel wanted me to review my helmet. He tagged me and some other folks. He did a review of his. Check him out. He's got a great channel. Anyway, before the day's over, I'm going to review this bad boy and let you know what I think about it. So let's go ride bikes right now. All right, here we go. A little windy, blowing about 12 miles an hour. Morning. Morning. All kinds of wildlife. Seahorses, egrets. I'm 11 miles into my ride this morning and it's time for a water break. Let's keep going. When I was riding up from Key West, I had lunch right here. I was going the other way. I sat right at that table. Oh, it's great with the wind behind me. I'm doing 17 miles an hour. So I'm on my way back, and it's beautiful. I got a nice tailwind, moving right along. It's a beautiful day. What more could I ask for? Temperature's about 72 degrees and low humidity in Florida. Whoopee! I'm back again. Not a bad ride today, 2.5 hours. I did a little over 27 miles and I'm going to call it a day. And now I need to do the review of my helmet. So I'm going to do the review on my helmet. And I'm in a turtle sanctuary right now. I just finished my bike ride. I've still got my glasses on with my mirror so I can see if any turtles are sneaking up behind me while I'm doing this review. So anyway, Tony tagged me and gave me the challenge of reviewing the helmet that I like. So what I've been using for the past couple of years is a Giro Atmos 2. That's A-T-M-O-S 2. The thing is very lightweight. It weighs 314 grams. It's got plenty of louvers on it, so it keeps my brains cool and lots of ventilation. Inside, it's got lots of padding, and fortunately I haven't had to try this out to see how effective it is. So far it's kept my brains nice and safe, I think. And on the back, of course, it's got your usual little adjustable thing here. Now, why did I pick this helmet? Well, it was purely because I went to 5 different bike shops and I couldn't find one big enough because of my brain capacity. Actually, I have a very big head, all right? So I finally found this one. It's extra large and it fits me just perfectly. So I will try it on now so you can get the full effect of my helmet, Tony. It has enough room where I can also be sporting a hat underneath, so I have a visor on here. One thing I did find out with these helmets in my case, I tried to use a baseball cap, and the baseball cap has a little button in the middle, and the button would rub on the top of the inside of the helmet, and of course gives you a headache in a very short time. So anyway, very easy. You just snap it like that, and what do you think? Pretty handsome in this helmet, aren't I? Here's the adjustable. That's the adjuster, so it stays nice and tight on my head without being too tight to give me a headache. Anyway, that's it for my helmet. Haven't been attacked by any turtles, haven't seen any turtles coming up behind me. So I'm going to take a walk around this little sanctuary and see what it's all about. Then I'm going to get back in my car and go and spend some time with my granddaughter this afternoon. Have a great day.